Hi, my healthy friends. What about this exquisite pumpkin roasted? You can serve with salad or pasta. Let's start it. Cut your pumpkin in wedges. You can cut as many as you like it, 6 or 8. Then you're going to take it into an oven tray and you're going to mix 1 tablespoon of oregano and olive oil and brush your pumpkin. Then we're ready to take it to the oven for about 30 minutes to 150 degrees farm force. Once cooked, you can serve with salad or simply with pasta. It tastes absolutely exquisite. Enjoy!